Hi learners, in this video I'm going to talk about the need for job evaluation. Job evaluation is the process of comparing a particular job with all the other jobs in an organization. So basically this comparison of jobs with all the other jobs in an organization is done in order to understand the duties, responsibilities and the skills which are required to do a particular job, and after understanding the job, the human resource department of a particular organization tries to fix a compensation which is suitable enough to compensate a particular job holder. So basically job evaluation helps in the process of compensation fixation. So now let's analyze the need for job evaluation. See, when an analysis is done about a particular job, the duties, responsibilities which is associated with the particular job is understood, and after understanding the complexity which is are associated with a particular job, the wages are fixed. If the jobs are more complex, then the salary structure or wage structure is more. Whereas on the other hand, less complex jobs will get less be paid a little lesser wage structure compared to the other complex jobs. So basically, a job evaluation helps in fixation of an equitable wage structure. Further, job evaluation also helps in maintaining consistency in the firm's overall wage structure, and also job evaluation should make sure that the wages which is paid in a particular organization should be on in par with that which is paid by the industry in which the firm operates. Now let's take the example, if Maruti Suzuki is deciding wages for its workers at shop floor level, when they are fixing wages for their workers, they will have to ascertain the wages which is paid by competitors. The other competitors in the automobile industry could be Toyota company or the Tatas. So Maruti Suzuki will compare its wages which is being paid to the shop floor workers with the wages which is being paid to the shop floor workers like Tatas and Toyota, which are the competitors. So when wages are paid on par with the competitors, then it helps in reducing labor turnover and helps in retaining the employees. So therefore, job evaluation should try to maintain consistency in the firm's overall wage structure. Further, through job evaluation, an analysis is made about the job description and the job specification which is associated with a particular job, and therefore this leads to establishing a sound for wage foundation system. And this wage foundation system helps not only in fixing the initial wages when the employees are recruited, but also helps in deciding the incentives and bonuses which have to be paid to the workers in the due course of their employment. Further, job evaluation not only helps in fixing wages initially when the workers are recruited, but also helps in reviewing wages and salaries. Now, revision of wages and salaries have to be done in a timely manner so that employees are retained in the organization. And if employees are not given the necessary hikes, then they would leave the organization, and this in turn would lead to increase in the attrition levels and all that. So therefore, an organization should make sure that a proper revision has or increase in wages and salaries should be given. And now further, if increase in wages, like supposing all the workers are given 5% increase in wages, then in this case, this leads to demotivation of the workers who are working much harder than the average workers. So therefore, through the process of job evaluation, we try to differentiate between the different job roles, and more complex jobs are paid higher revision in wages than the less complex jobs. Next, job evaluation also helps in reducing grievances of the workers. Now, generally, workers, they have lots of grievances related to their salaries. They feel that they are not paid, not paid sufficient enough for their services which they are rendering in the organization. Or sometimes, many a times the workers have the grievance that their superior, their peers, the people who are working along with them, they are being paid more salary compared to theirs. So therefore, whenever the workers on equal who are having equal job roles are being paid different salaries, job evaluation helps in making the workers understand this difference in wages. Therefore, it tries to reduce the grievances of workers. Next, through job evaluation, since the grievances of the workers are being reduced, therefore it also helps in increasing the morale of the employees and helps in establishing good relationships between the employees and the employers. Next, job evaluation also helps the management to classify and understand the different functions, authorities, and responsibilities which is associated with the different jobs. And this in turn helps in work simplification and also helps in elimination or duplication of operations. Since in job evaluation, we are going to conduct a job analysis, that is job description as well as job specification. So this helps. So the management is better able to understand the various job roles in the organization, and wherever there is duplication of work, that can also be avoided through job evaluation. So therefore, job evaluation does not serve only the purpose of paying compensation to the workers, but also helps the management in understanding the different job roles which are there in the organization.